Here's how to connect Canva to ChatGPT so you can generate designs directly from your conversations. Open ChatGPT and log in. On the left sidebar, look for plugins or apps. The label depends on your ChatGPT version. Click it to open the plugin or app marketplace. Search for Canva and click on it when it appears. Click Install. You will be prompted to sign in with your Canva account to authorize the connection. Make sure you are logged into the correct Canva account before clicking Allow. Connecting the wrong account means any designs generated will go to the wrong workspace. Once authorized, you will see a confirmation that Canva is now connected. Go back to your plugins or apps list and confirm Canva appears as installed. To use it, start a new chat. Click the plus button in the message box and select Canva as a source. You can now ask ChatGPT to create designs directly. For example, ask it to make a YouTube thumbnail, a social media post, or a presentation slide, and it will generate a Canva design link you can open and edit. A tip: the more specific your request, the better the output. Include details like size, color scheme, style, and purpose for the best results. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.